Hey everyone, welcome back. So, my second video, I am playing with these tiles that I did with the black light sometime maybe I think mid last year. So you can kind of see the effect that's going on. And these were all done with those black light paints. And I decided to come back and revisit them and bring new life to them. So today's theme, you can kind of already see what's going on here. I already applied what we're going to be working with on these two tiles and going to be working on these two with you. So we are using the Pèbèo Gèdèo. Let's see if I can focus. There we go. Alright, so we're using the Pèbèo Gèdèo. This is the Mixtion relief, which is pretty much a fancy term for the glue you put down. Once the glue is down, it comes out white and it goes clear. When it's clear, then we can come in with the foils, which they have reds, golds, silvers, greens, blues, you name it. So I have the gold, the silver, and the blue. We're going, of course, to be using gold on this side, and then I was hoping to maybe use the silver on this side. So the dark side is getting silver and the light side is getting the gold. So this is how I know I am so far behind on filming. Just ran out of space and had to fix it, but I'm back. So when you apply your gold leafing down, I like to come in with a paintbrush, something kind of malleable to come in and kind of work around the paper, so you can get in, kind of press it in a little bit to the edges. So you want to come in and work around the design, especially if you have a very detailed piece that you want to get every little crevice in. Having something to press into it and around it will help form around the relief. Now this isn't the last step. It's not going to be the end of the world if you miss anything, because you can always, once you're removing this, you won't get everything, but you can always come back now and see other areas and reapply. You want to reapply as many times as it takes to fill the entire relief. You can always come in with your fingers, you can come in with the back end of a brush if it's dry and hard enough. You mainly want to come in and just work into all the sides, the crevices, all the areas of that relief. Now of course, the higher the bump and the raise and the texture, the more you have to work at filling it. We'll go over techniques and everything and other things you can do to get overall different effects and better effects and so on later on, but for now we're just doing the basic. And just like that, we've applied the gold. So now we have our gold leafing on our piece with the symbol for a king. Now this one, as you can see, is still very white, it's still very wet, so I won't be able to apply the gold to this one at the moment, but I can show you overall placement and kind of draw it out. And then on one of them, we can use the Ceramic relief from Pèbèo. So this one is going to be different than this. This right here is going to be the clear base for when using your Pèbèo Gèdèo mirror effect paper. You'll have to have the Mixtion relief for the Pèbèo Gèdèo. Whereas this one doesn't have the word Gèdèo on it. This one is Pèbèo, and then the main thing it's going to say is Ceramic relief. And then it has different colors, different various tones. This one we're just going to play maybe on here. We'll do these two in silver, these two in gold. How about that? So on this one, I'm thinking maybe doing like a queen's crown the crown that I'm going to be going with, just a simple one that I found on Google right here. And let's come in and apply in the gold. Maybe on here. Yeah, let's do it on this one. So I'm just gonna try to freehand this for you guys, so don't judge it for being too horrible. Figured since I had a lowercase k for the king, do a lowercase q for the queen. Didn't go as detailed as the original photo because I didn't want to lose too much detail of the paint pour below. But this stuff, as you can see, it comes out with the gold already. Now it's not going to have that mirrored effect. It's not going to be as shiny as the mirrored effect. As you can see, the mirrored effect has that very metallic gold finish. So the queen, on the other hand, with that carne relief, is just going to have that raised gold tone. And I'm looking at this and realizing how uneven. Oh well, it's been a while since I freehanded anything, but I still kind of like it. It's kind of quirky. So we have our last one to draw out, which I'm going to do in the mixin relief. So I can do the silver on that one. So we have our royalty in gold, the king and the queen, and now we're going to do our rook and... So just like this one, doing it freehand, keeping with the general size of this one. Let's start. Now that we have that down, we'll be back probably in the morning because it's going to take quite some time. Let this dry and go clear. Applying the silver to these two, and then you can see them as a whole finished piece. So we'll be back then. Alright, good morning everyone. So now that we're back, you can see how clear that medium goes down. And now for the fun part. We're going to apply our silver right on top. So just like that. And now we have our silver down for our pawn. Alright, so now that we have our silver and everything down, I came in and I filled in using the little travel paint size paints just to kind of emphasize where the pawn piece was. Coming in with the gold right now just to add a little bit of detailing. Like so, and we're gonna let that dry, and it'll settle in around our border we created with the Pèbèo Gèdèo in the mirrored effect. And I want to do the same thing over here on the rook. There we are. Just something simple, easy peasy. I'm bringing in a fun chess vibe to the whole entire piece with our king, our queen, our pawn, and our rook. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, I'm going to be playing more with that Pèbèo Gèdèo and showing you guys some other stuff you can do. You don't have to just draw and place. There are so many other fun finishes and overall looks that you can apply, and that's what I'm going to show you guys along the way. I have a few paintings that I'm holding off on just for that, but again, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.